Is it just looking at somebody that hand up, there is a problem. Either I'm not put enough stage presence for him, but the way we are even looking to the audience, no one will wake up. Sina Gapa, Goli ever said, and Zanya Goli ever said, you don't remember the Take it as a So, guys, after 3 hours, no, everybody will lose concentration. So, I'm not going to take Okujja. After 10, I was up on the car. Now, within the current insecurity that is happening in the country, let's be wary of these things as we do this place. Another protocol is that you can take a customer affair. Muchi? Business. Business. It's a business. You invest. Or take a saying, when the money want to go to the take a money you got to be taken to the cases and to take for people to come and sit and watch. And we expect money. So we invest. This is a business. And for as long as you guys, me, it's about money. It's a business. I do this thing because I live on theater. That's what I've never done. Radios, television, those are reality. But me, it's theater. I've lived on theater. I've done the infinity of theater. And I always tell Bagama, when man is a film, Bagama, I'm a student of stage. I value stage because the stage that made me for film to recognize me. Stage means giving. So, but guys, if you are a film, stage initially new artists are quality artists are nature here. You need to give us time to train you to make you the best. And that will come. Now, issue that you get the winner. What Jeff I'm so happy in the era that I read the character. And we created that character. I don't know about that, but that would be the best character. Then I like this in that time. She does that 4 times when she's schooling. It's how you do it. See what you like in it's those whatever that girl is going to be one of the best actors in this school. And she only had 4 lines. And she went on. So come on, it didn't take that. Then I will we're looking for the yes. What infinite to certain was no management. What to what no management is the next 15 minutes.
Yes. Ensonga y'okusinza simbi naye era nga tuli mu kibiina anti Aaron yayogedde ku respect bw'oba ogenda ovaawo ogenda okusaala yogera ne director then nsaba eddakiika 5 mumawe okusaala ensonga lwaki yakubuuza ovaawa kuba yali tategedde kati bw'abeera wano ng'anoonya nga gwe gwe yeetaaga essaawa eyo nga toliiwo kimuggyako kisobola omuwa approach embi ng'azzeemu okulaba so singa obeera wayogedde naye n'omugamba nsaba genda kusaalako asobola okugamba lindamu mu moment etulimu tukwetaaga maliriza kano lyokogende so respect eddayo tubeere nga tuwa badirectors ekitiibwa kyabwe n'okubeera nga buli kaseera tukola ekintu mu butuufu bwakyo si ffe kusigala nga tuli bakyetwala. Thank you.
It's as simple as that. If you've ever worked with me, those who have worked with me will realize I am professional and I do my things professionally. The things we say that we've got to do act the way we have got to do, we ask for months, we do that. At for you know that we were going for a Christmas time 3 months ago, and we rehearse. It's being professional and doing whatever you need to do at the right now. Problem. You try theater and now what the arts have. Sorry. And then no, there are things you must do to gain A, B, C, D, E. You don't come from anywhere and things work. So The gap between us and you is we try and do what theatre demands for us to be where we are. You want shortcuts. Theatre is a shortcut. You are either good or bad. Take a shortcut. You either rehearse or you don't. And if you rehearse, you're good. If you don't rehearse, you're bad. It's as simple as that. The theatre didn't take two. It's a take one. So, I treasure rehearsal more than I do a show in Setna Abbey. Because in a rehearsal, I can create 4 abbeys, of which I can get one to do the row, the what do you want? I can have 4 abbeys in a row. I can do 4 kirundas in a row, in a rehearsal. Now, rehearsal means you don't convince me. You either go in a rehearsal or you go. So, everything to be that staying relevant means being professional and doing what is required of the industry. Some of these things are going to be rough and we tell it bare, but if you want to succeed in this industry, you've got to go bare enough at times. You've got to be true to the trade. No color rehearsal, no college too, no chijayo producer or ne producer wakati chukua mzee wasaje taanja hata kwa garage.
Sinava alemera okulowoza ku audience gyenava kasiti simba muteekeddwa ebeera bonus okubaga kasiti egenda kuleetera abalala. We are supposed to have a team that looks for these people.
To the modern trends of marketing, theatre will stay with Kulunno Okujja to the level of running theatre as a business. Twekerawo ebintu bya sifunye sente nsonyiwa mugenderawo. No. Let's get the money, let's invest in it, let's pay people, let's advertise, let's go to radios, let's go to social media, let's go everywhere. That business is about MTN. If we don't do that, then coupled with this product that you bring here, that's pretty good. People no longer experiment with their money. They no longer experiment with their money. They want to come and watch something good. Now, fair, audience they have fair, but you again London, you are far. You can't do one. One far. Nababulira this, Chintamoro Walero. We went to Gombe. That's where the Twamusanga senior one, she became a fan. And every holiday, diligently she would sit there, senior 1, senior 2, senior 3, senior 4, until university, she got married and left. Where did we bring the next singer? Did we go out and bring the next singer? No. We were so satisfied up to Yamara senior 6. The next time the Angelic back, whatever the baby, we did not go to schools, that's where we built these audiences from. We did not go to university, that's where we built these audiences from. Nakawa, Nkosi, we used to go there every time. Where is that audience? That was an audience that we nurtured and believed in us. And the minute Lukia Zizinga were formed, you are Nazara, Daniela, and what's there? This is where we must react and change. Like Mariam says, like it's not on artists to operate it about, it's complementary. We must treat theatre as a business. It can no longer operate in a young radio. You can still be certain. Kampala has 43 radio stations, television stations. You can't go to all of them, but at least we've got to go, to those that matter. We've got to be there, we've got to fight. Because at the end of the day, when URA comes here, when URA comes here, don't you worry about this? If you are you take a lot of effort to convince URA to go to the masses. Because when we are with Janagan,